Built an empire of sound as the bridges were falling down. In the midst of endless time, we have built.
Hi, this is Raghavi. An hour of planning can save you 10 hours of doing. What happens when we are not planning? We will stress out, right? In this video, we are gonna to see how a software project will be planned. So, let's get on to the video. Planning the software project. But how? Let's see about planning. First of all, what is planning? Planning is an important phase in developing a successful software project. Lack of planning is a primary cause of cost overruns, poor quality, and high maintenance. So, successful planning involves 3 steps. Let's see about steps involved in planning. First step is defining the problem. The first and foremost step of planning a software is to prepare a concise problem statement. To identify the correct problem statement, we can perform customer interviews, questionnaires, observation of problem task, and actual performance of the task. The second step is about identifying whether the problem have computerized solution. If it does, then the system should be cost effective, technically, economically, socially, and politically acceptable. The third step is to describe the role between each computering subsystem. There are 3 subsystems. First is people subsystem, and the secondly comes hardware subsystem, and finally software subsystem. Let's move on to the secondary planning, that is developing a solution strategy. It's propose various solutions and we should check whether the solution is doable. In those solutions, they recommended the best solution strategy and justify the reason why we are not using the other strategies. Problem defined and the solution was found. Let's get on to the step 3, which is planning the development process. First of all, we should define a life cycle model. Secondly, we should estimate preliminary cost estimation. After cost estimation, we should establish a development schedule. And we should establish the initial staff estimation. And after that, we should establish resource estimation and finally prepare a glossary of terms. Yes, we are done with planning. But wait, did I explain of life cycle model? So, to know what is a life cycle model and its type, check on to the next video.